Are you tired of your pins getting lost in the shuffle? What if I told you there's a hidden strategy that could skyrocket your visibility on Pinterest and drive massive traffic to your site? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the exact SEO tactics you need to optimize your pins like a pro so you don't get left behind while others rake in the rewards. Don't miss out on transforming your Pinterest game. Step 1. Keyword research is the foundation of effective Pinterest SEO. Start by identifying relevant keywords that align with your niche. This is crucial for attracting the right audience. A powerful tool at your disposal is Pinterest's own search bar. Simply type in a word related to your niche and watch as Pinterest suggests popular terms and phrases. These are the very terms your target audience is searching for, so make note of them. Once you've gathered a list of keywords, think about how to weave them into your pins. This includes your pin titles, descriptions, and even your board names. For example, if you're in the home decor niche, using keywords like bohemian living room or do-it-yourself home decor ideas can significantly enhance the discoverability of your content. But remember, it's important to approach this authentically. Don't just stuff your titles and descriptions full of keywords. Make sure they flow naturally and make sense to your audience. Now, let's talk about long-tail keywords. These are phrases that are typically longer and more specific. They may not get as much search volume as broader terms, but they often lead to higher engagement rates because they target people who know exactly what they're looking for. For instance, instead of using gardening, try small space vegetable gardening tips. This approach can set your pins apart and attract a more engaged audience. Have you explored the power of Pinterest trends yet? Analyzing trending topics can provide insights into what keywords are gaining traction. It allows you to stay ahead of the competition and ensures your content resonates with current interests. What keywords are you excited to explore for your next Pinterest pin? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive? Step 2. Creating visually appealing pins is essential for capturing attention and enticing users to engage with your content. Start by choosing high-quality images that truly reflect your brand's identity. These images should not only be eye-catching but also relevant to the message you're conveying. Think about what resonates with your audience. Are they seeking inspiration, tips, or solutions? Once you've selected your images, overlay them with carefully chosen text that includes your target keywords. This combination not only improves discoverability, but also informs viewers about what to expect from your pin. Next, let's discuss the importance of your pin descriptions. Crafting descriptions that are rich in value is key. Your description should provide helpful information, explain what users will gain from clicking on your pin, and seamlessly incorporate your keywords. This not only boosts your SEO, but also engages potential viewers by presenting them with content they find useful. And don't forget to include a strong call to action. Encourage users to click through for more insights or to explore your content further. Adding relevant hashtags is another powerful way to enhance your pin's visibility. Hashtags help categorize your content and align it with Pinterest search trends, making it easier for users to find your pins among the sea of content. Think about what hashtags your target audience might be searching for. These should be directly related to your niche and the specific content within your pins. As you're optimizing your pins, consider how each element works together to create a cohesive picture that draws users in. What strategies will you implement to ensure your pins stand out in a crowded feed? Step 3. Consistency is key when it comes to pinning on platforms like Pinterest. By establishing a regular pinning schedule, you're not only keeping your content fresh, but also signaling to the platform that you're an active user. This can lead to greater visibility and reach for your pins. Aim to pin at least a few times a week, if not daily, to create a vibrant presence that attracts followers and engages users. Next, let's talk about board management. The way you organize your boards can have a significant impact on how easily users find your content. Start by strategically naming your boards with keywords that resonate with your target audience. This not only helps with searchability, but also gives users a clear idea of what they can expect when they click on a board. In each board description, be sure to weave in relevant keywords as well, enhancing your SEO while providing valuable context. Don't forget to regularly review your best performing pins. Take the time to update and repin this content to keep it circulating, ensuring that it remains relevant and visible to both new and returning users. This approach not only maintains engagement, but also reinforces your brand's message across your boards. Each pin and board should work harmoniously to support your overall SEO strategy, and this integrated approach can significantly boost your discoverability. How often do you currently update your pins and boards to keep your content relevant?